Changing migrations. Animals that migrate move through different habitats and they need different types of food in different places. Because of this, they're in danger from things that change in the world around them. Problems for migrants. Many migrants like tuna, cod, birds, and sea turtles are in danger from too much fishing or hunting. Roads, power lines, and wind turbines stop other animals from migrating. Also, people damage the habitats of many migrants. When they cut down trees, take up ponds, build dams across rivers, or build fences around land, pollute damaged habitats too. Discover. Every year, about 100,000 albatross were killed by fishing hooks. The climate is changing. Earth is getting too warm because our vehicles, factories, and power stations are making too many gases like carbon dioxide. The climate is changing, so there's more storms, and deserts are getting bigger. There's less ice or polar oceans, and ocean currents are changing. Journeys are now more dangerous for migrants. It's also more difficult for animals to reach the right place at the right time for feeding and breeding. Scientists think that many animal species will stop migrating, or they will migrate to new places because the climate is changing. Discover. Many birds that migrate north for summer, like the willow warbler, are now staying there longer than usual. Some birds are not migrating back to south. Polar bears in danger. Polar bears live on the ice in Arctic in winter. Here they can hunt seals, their main food, in summer. There is not enough ice for hunting, so polar bears migrate south to land. Because the climate is changing, now there's less ice on the ocean, and the ice is melting earlier in spring. So the winter and bears have less time on ice catching seals, and it's also sometimes difficult for bears to migrate to land because it's less ice to walk, and they often have to swim too far across the ocean. How can we help? Scientists are now putting special markers on some migrants. These markers help scientists to see where the animals are migrating and how their journeys are changing. Scientists hope that they learn about more migrants. They can help to save their habitats. Discover. In the wet season on Christmas Island in Asia, millions of red crabs migrate to the ocean to breed. Markers have helped scientists to learn their migration. We need to keep our planet Earth clean and safe to protect animal migrations.